all, that womb of death, goes with the dearest morsel of the earth. Thus I enforce thy rotten jaws to open, and in despite I'll cram thee with more food. This is that man's talking more to you than murder, my lost husband. With which grief it is supposed doth that creature die. And he is come to do some villainous shame to the dead bodies. I will apprehend him. Stop that hell of toil bound unto you. Can vengeance be pursued further than death? Condemned villain, I do apprehend thee. Obey and go with me, for thou must die. I must indeed, and therefore came I hither. The gentle youth tempt not a desperate man, fly hence, and leave me. Think upon these gone, let them affright thee. I beseech thee, put not another sin upon my head by urging me to fury, oh be gone. By heaven I love thee better than myself, for I come hither armed against myself. Stay not, be gone, live, and hereafter say, a man's mercy bade thee run away. And to defy thy conjurations, and apprehend thee for a felon here, wilt thou provoke me?
Love it.
And have at thee, boy. No! No!
Get it! Let's get
I'm slain!
Jazz blues.
God be merciful. Open the tomb. Lay me with Juliet. In faith I will. Let me peruse his face. Mercutio's kinsman, noble County Paris, would send my man with my tossed souls out to tend him as we rode. I think he told me Paris should have married Juliet. Said he not so much as a dream of so. Or am I mad hearing him talk of Juliet and think it was so? Oh, give me thy hand. Or live with me in sour misfortune's court. I'll bury thee in a triumphant grave. A grave. Oh no, a lantern slaughtered youth. But here lies Juliet. And her beauty makes this vault a feasting presence full of light. Death, lie thou there, thy dignity terror. All to another at the point of death, they can bury. It's a keeper's call a lightning before death. Oh, may I call this a lightning? Timber, rise out there under thy bloody sheet. Oh, what no favor can I do to thee than with that hand that cut thy youth in twain, to sunder his that was thine enemy? Forgive me, cousin. Oh. You Juliet? I believe that most extensions of his embers will be that for the most of the secret and darkness to be his paramour. Fear that. I'm still asleep. That never from his palace at the night depart to get here, here will I remain. With words that are thy chamber angel here, where I set up my own rest, and shake me from the inauspicious stars, from this very flesh. Kind, horrible sacred guide. Thou desperate pilot now at once are on the dashing rocks. I seasick weary bottom. Yes, my love. To a apothecary I turns away. Thus, with a kiss. Subway?
Thank you for the warm applause. If you want to show
Show some love, it's much appreciated.
But either way, we just hope you
Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for your
Good job, guys.
Have you had fun, Temple? Thank you.